everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH, and for those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. And since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. So I suggest that you get a reading personalized to your unique situation, and I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've been using Keen for almost a year now, and Keen has helped me whenever I needed clarity and guidance. I have 2 regular psychics that I usually consult with, and they always bring enlightenment in my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading, because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer on Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Aries, let's see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin lamang itong gabay. Okay? So pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And of course, please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So let us see. Aries, ano yung mga major changes happening sa'yo, sa inyo in 2024 for Aries? Okay, so we have Suwilu, we have Inghwas, and then this is Wonyo. Okay. And then we also have the 4th house, which is about your family, your home life, your foundation. And then meron ditong Uranus and Gemini. So Uranus and Gemini in the 4th house. Oh, major changes in your family life and in your home life for 2024. Some of you mga bigla ang pag-uusap na may kinalaman sa inyong bahay. So pwedeng yung iba sa inyo lilipat ng bahay, bibili ng bahay, merong communication, merong negotiation. Pwedeng iba sa inyo biglang lilipat ng bahay, biglang bibili ng bahay, or magkakaroon ng communication sa mga family members na matagal nyo nang hindi nakakausap, hindi nakakasama. Ayan. So meron din ditong Wunyo. Wunyo is about joy, happiness. So, meron kayong mga activities ngayong 2024 na magbibigay sa inyo ng extreme happiness. So, maaring iba, depende yan kung ano yung mga bagay na magpapasaya sa inyo. Pwedeng pag-travel, no? Mga travel opportunities. Yung iba naman, pag-acquire ng mga properties, bahay, lupa, mga ari-arian, no? And then, ito kasing Suwilu is also about illumination. This is energy. So, mas palalakasin mo yung sarili mo. Ngayong 2024, I think, mas magpo-focus ka rin sa inner growth kasi itong Inghwas is about yourself, focusing on yourself, loving yourself. So, maaring yung attention mo ngayon sa sarili mo kung paano mo mas may improve yung sarili mo in so many levels, no? Like, for example, yung physical appearance mo, yung strength mo, yung lakas mo physically, yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay, no? So, I think you will do a lot of things ngayong 2024, especially related to yourself and to your family. Mga ano to bigla ang realization. So, let's see what else. Ano pa yung mga major changes for Aries ngayong 2024? Major changes. You have the moon. Okay. 5 of Wands. Maaring magkaroon ng challenges, no, sa relationship mo with a feminine. So, pwedeng sa kapatid mo babae, sa karelasyon mo, or even to your mother, no? Let's see what else. You also have the Ace of Wands, new opportunities, new beginnings for you. Meron talagang travel opportunities dito. Yung iba sa inyo, ang major change na mangyayari is bubukod, no? Maaring kayo ay mas magiging independent ngayong 2024 kung kayo ay nakatira pa sa inyong family, sa inyong immediate family, no, sa parents ninyo. I see some of you na aalis doon para i-pursue yung independence, no? Maaring nakahanap kayo ng ibang place para mas gusto niyo na magkaroon kayo ng sarili ninyong decision na sa buhay na wala masyadong nakikialam, or you just really want to pursue your independence and experience kung paano mabuhay on your own na walang inaasahang iba. See, with the 4 of Wands. So, this is going to be very successful for you. You will feel na, alam mo yung pakiramdam na you can do things on your own. Ganong klaseng feeling. And, a lot of celebration din. Maari ring yung pag-alis mo sa poder ng parents mo or ng family mo is for a good reason. So, parang gusto mong meron kang patunayan. And may mga gatherings din dito, mga major celebration within the family. Pwedeng may ikakasal dito, no? May ikakasal sa family member nyo. So, maaring ikaw rin maapektuhan. Pwedeng ikaw yung ikakasal. But for some of you, this is a family member na ikakasal. You also have the 8 of Pentacles. I think you're really going to work harder ngayong 2024 to finally fulfill yung mga dreams mo na hindi mo masyadong pinagtuunan ng pansin ng mga nakaraang taon. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, ang main goal nyo is to have your own properties. Magkaroon kayo ng sarili nyong mga ari-arian na talagang nasa pangalan nyo, na alam nyo sa sarili nyo na kayo yung nagpundar. Oo. Meron ding mga tao na will try to intimidate you, or yung tipong will try to, yung parang pakialaman yung mga decision mo sa buhay. But I think, kayang-kaya mo na, no? Kayang-kaya mo ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. Yeah, Page of Pentacles. Some of you are also going to start a new business or a new career malayo sa kinatatayuan mo ngayon, or pwedeng abroad rin to, no? Or sa ibang lugar. Parang yung tipong, let's say, matagal ka nang nakatira sa city or sa Manila, ganyan. And then you want a new experience outside the city. So, lilipat ka ngayon sa probinsya, no? Na kung saan, dun mo titingnan kung how is it going to be for you to be on your own. You also have the Hanged Man and the 10 of Cups. So, I'm seeing here, medyo didistansya ka sa family, no? For a good reason tong nakikita ko rito. Kaya mo rin gustong dumistansya. You want to prove something sa pamilya mo. Let's see what else. Approach the situation with a light heart, dear. Ayan. So, pagdating sa decision making, even yung pananaw mo sa buhay, mas magtitiwala ka sa sarili mo, sa kakayanan mo. Oo. I see a lot of independence for you, Aries. Yes, surrender. Let go of limiting beliefs. Yes. Yung mga bagay na dahilan kaya hindi nyo nagagawa yung mga gusto nyo i-pursue sa buhay kasi akala nyo limitado kayo or hindi nyo kaya, ayan na blurred siya. Be as expansive in your thoughts as your soul is. Yes. So you will surrender. Anything na hindi mo kontrolado, you're going to surrender that. And you also have Cat. Speak your truth, have strength, faith, and conviction in your voice. It has never been more needed. Yes. Di ba when you speak your truth, no, pinahalagahan mo yung authenticity mo, yung pagiging totoo mo sa sarili mo. So, yun yung mga changes for you. Ngayong 2024, independence. Yan, number 1. And also believing in yourself na ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo by taking action. Ikaw mismo yung magiging in control. And whatever is beyond your control, you're going to surrender that and you will trust the process. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.